In my last video, I told you all about dividends and how I have them all going into this cash line here. By default, the interest rate on this is only about 1.9%, but there's a really easy way to get a little more interest on that and get it closer to 3 or sometimes even 4%. You would just click on cash and then change core positions. And by default, it's held in F cash, which is now paying 1.94%. But if you scroll down, there's two other options. There's the FZXX option, which pays 3.64%. And the other one is the SPAX fund, SPAXX. And that one pays a little bit higher. Right now it's paying 3.68%. So I'm going to choose that one. And as you can see, they're both listed as money market funds, which basically just means they're really low risk funds. So I'll click on the one with the highest interest and then review order. Then I'll see this confirmation page, which just confirms that I'm switching it from that default F cash to the new money market fund. And then I'll click submit. And then once that's done, I'll hit close. And now you'll see this notification saying a change to your core is in process. And that usually takes a few business days. And once that's done and everything settles, it'll now say held in money market. And now when you click on it, it'll have all the fund information, and that chart just shows you a visual of what the interest rate has been. So for this fund, it's been as high as 4.25%, but now it's down to around 3.5%. And that's another important thing to know. Interest rates are changing all the time. So to make sure you're getting the best return on your cash, it's a good idea to check the interest rates every few months. And then if you ever wanted to change that again, you would go to change core position. And that's how you could change it to a different money market account if the interest rate is better. And the interest for this pays out monthly. So if you wanted to track that, you can go to activity and orders. And this is where I can see the interest that's paid out at the end of every month. So on the $9,000 that I have just sitting in cash in my account, I'm getting about $17 in interest every month. So yeah, that's just an easy way to make a little bit more interest on the cash that's just sitting in your Fidelity account. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you next week.